Welcome to Rust Collections. Today we'll learn about arrays, which have a fixed size, and vectors, which can grow dynamically. These are essential for storing multiple values in your programs. Let's start with arrays in Rust. Arrays store multiple values of the same type. The size of an array is fixed and cannot change. Opening nvim to create an array of numbers. We create an array with square brackets containing 5 integers. Array indices start at 0, so index 0 is the first element. The arr.len method returns the number of elements. Let's review the complete array code. Key point: numbers bracket 0 gets the first element. Numbers bracket 2 gets the third element. Compiling and running our array program. The output shows the array elements and length. Indexing and length work as expected. Now let's learn about vectors, which can grow and shrink. Unlike arrays, vectors can add or remove elements. Use vectors when you don't know the size up front. Opening nvim to create a vector of fruits. vec.new creates an empty vector. We need the mut keyword to modify this vector. The push method adds elements to the end. Debug format prints the whole vector. Let's review our vector code. Compiling and running the fruits program. The output shows all 3 fruits we pushed. Number of fruits is 3. First fruit is apple. Vectors are very flexible for dynamic data. Finally, let's learn how to iterate over collections. We can loop through arrays and vectors using for loops. Opening nvim to work with a list of scores. We create an array of 5 test scores. For score in scores loops through each element. Score holds the current value each iteration. A second loop calculates the total of all scores. Finally, we calculate and print the average. Let's review our iteration code. Compiling and running the scores program. Each score is printed in order. Total is 438. Average is 87. Excellent. You have learned arrays for fixed-size collections and vectors for dynamic ones. You also know how to iterate through them with for loops. These are fundamental skills for any Rust programmer. Keep practicing.